Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the routing add-in and setting your units. Do that now. Once done, pick the wire type and diameter so Solidworks uses the correct geometry. Next, open an assembly or part and insert a route subassembly if you plan a harness. This keeps things organized. Make sure to place electrical components roughly where they belong because the first sketch and route points you create will define the entire wire path. Now you create the actual path. Choose a 3D sketch for spatial runs or a 2D sketch for flat panels. You then add route segments, pick straight, spline, or bent sections, and assign a bend radius to meet harness specs. As you go, place route points at connectors and use mates or fixed points to anchor the wire ends. This ensures the wire follows components when they move. If you need to adjust, edit sketch control points and reevaluate clearances. Finally, assign properties like gauge, insulation thickness, color, and part number so manufacturing data is accurate. Then generate the BOM and a cut list to get lengths and costs. Make sure mates are updated and run a motion check if assemblies move. Save a versioned file. If something goes wrong, rebuild errors usually point to overlapping routes, mismatched units, or unconstrained sketch points. Fix those by checking constraints, snapping route points, and reapplying mates.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.